Whenever there is problem between 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x by sin cube x plus cos cube dx. Only in these limits we are talking, not change of limits. 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x or 1 by 5 by sin power 1 by 5. What is observation here? Only we are getting limits are 0 to pi by 2 only. Numerator and denominator functions are same, powers are same, sin cos combination. Both all the places have same powers 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. In general, f of sin x by f of sin x plus f of cos x. What is that? F represents any algebraic operator between these limits only. For all these problems, answer is only pi by 4. Okay. Very rare to get. By chance, if you are getting this problem, you write answer immediately pi by 4 only between the limits. Standard rule 0 to pi by 2 only. If you change the limits, this is not answer. That is the reason, standard rule. Okay. Why you got this answer? One step only to understand I will show you. If you know what this is I. I is also equal to one property I told you. 0 to a f of x is the same as 0 to a f of a minus x. Upper limit minus x. Here upper limit 90. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos cube by cos cube x plus sin cube, where both denominators are same, adding 2i, I plus I, 2i, denominators are same, numerators you get also same, both cancel, 1 dx means x means upper limit minus lower limit, 2i equal to pi by 2, and hence I equal to pi by 2, everywhere same. So that you will be very perfect with answer if you know one solution. Okay, all will be same in the limits only. This is one property. Here f represents uniform. You cannot change it. Here root sin x, here sin cube, impossible. You cannot solve, they will not give you. That is the reason I told standard rule. They cannot change the question. There are some questions where any time throughout life that question as it is only. You cannot change the terms, places or any numbers, anything you cannot change. Then only it is called standard function. If they give as it is, otherwise they will not give. I will change it. What happens if I am getting powers are different, how to solve? If you have doubt, leave that question. Question in the sense they will not ask such type of questions. Right? Here f represents anything I told now. Suddenly in the exam, this problem will come. 0 to pi by 2, 2 power sin x, 2 power sin x plus 2 power cos x. F is same only. You will get same answer, pi by 4. Okay. This model is there in the assignment. So that is the reason I gave here only. So the property is very important. This is one additional property for definite integrals. Now, if you start problems, in case while doing problems, sometimes if you get any extra result also, I will give you as part of solution, note down in your synopsis, so that at the end you can practice again. So, if we start with the problems, take the 9th assignment. Yes. In 9th assignment only, we have definite integral problems. Okay, definite integrals problems. Then first very integral 2 to e 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square. This is problem given. He is not asking what is the answer. Reverse problem. I told they will give answers. In that they will ask some unknown places, either A or B or both of them according to ABCD. He is asking both answers, C and B. Then this is only logarithmic. One method is there. What is first method? 1 by log x separated. This is separate. You can start with integration into 1 by parts. You will get the answer. One method is possible. First method I will write here. I is equal to 2 to e 1 by log x into 1 minus integral 1 by log x whole square. Then apply by parts here. Continue. You will get the answer. One method. Okay. As usual, by parts, what is that? When you write logarithmic combination into 1, this must be first function, this is second function only. Fx into integral g. Okay. Because anyway I wrote here, this I will write. Second method also I will give you. 1 by log x into integral 1. 2 to e minus integral. What is 1 by log x derivative? 1 by x derivative minus 1 by log x whole square into log x derivative into integral 1. By parts is complete. This one is as it is. No integration further. Log x whole square. What is next? We say that cancel. Minus minus plus. Cancel. Over. One step over. Substitute limits. When x equal to e log e 1 because base also e minus lower limit 2 by log 2 base e. Answer is finished. How they are writing? Denominator only. Compare with this, what is a value? E. This is a. Then what is b value? Minus 2. He is writing plus. If they write here minus, b will be 2. So careful when you read the question. What they give answer also you have to be careful. According to answer, A, B, C, D, comparing where is your answer? A value E. B must be minus 2 since it is in the denominator. One more property. If you take this denominator to numerator in logarithms, so one extra we come to know some additional properties here. Anytime in the denominator logarithm is there, log a base b, shifted to numerator by only interchanging number and base. Suddenly they can write this to numerator, log e base 2. Okay? Here he is writing in the denominator only, therefore answer is finished. This is about the reverse model, means unknown values. Then second problem. Second problem is, he is not asking integration, he is just for giving comparison between two integrals. I1 is 0 to 1, 1 by mod x. I2 is 0 to 1 only, 1 by root 1 plus x square. What is relation between them? We know that modulus of x is definitely less than root of 1 plus x square. Okay. Limits important. Between 0 and 1 only. Between 0 to 1 means rational number. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, like that. So mod x is less than this. Take reciprocals. 1 by mod x is definitely sign changes. Less than becomes greater than. When you multiply minus, sign changes. Therefore, 1 by root. Once you know the inequality, integrating on both sides between the same limits, therefore integral 0 to 1, 1 by mod x is greater than 0 to 1, 1 by root 2. Then what is connection now here? Symbolic form. I1 is given notation. I1 is greater than I2. That much only. Integration we need not to do. So answer is finished. This is about another problem for definite integrals. Relation between them. Now third problem, maybe it is indefinite integral. We can do, okay, indefinite integral only. but related to partial fractions. So integral 2x square plus 3 by x square minus 1 x square plus 4. Here also answer is given a times log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. What are the values of AB? Definite integral is definite integral, not a big issue. Anyone who can do. Here, numerator, denominator. Numerator degree 2, denominator degree 4. Definitely it is proper function. Right. Then, according to answer, we should get the KB values. How to resolve this into partial fractions? We need x square minus 1. Okay, I will write here 2x square minus 2 plus 3. Okay, because if I write 2 common, x square minus 1 cancel. One way of writing I am doing. If it is not possible, we will go for direct theory only. Okay, split the denominator, 2 common. Like this, cancel. 2 by x square plus 4. 2 by x square plus 4, when you do integration, 2 outside, integral dx by x square plus a square. What is x square plus a square integration? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. What is a value? 2. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 2 cancel. Tan inverse x by 2. It is there. Then what is b value? 1. Is there any option for b? 1 is present. Second option. Only second option. Then answer must be b only. Further we need not to continue. Answer must be b. Third problem. Where is answer third problem? Here 2 is common. Okay. So this is about procedure how you can do. Here partial fractions compulsory only. What are the partial fractions? First we started with 2x square plus 3. I wrote 2x square minus 2. Here 3 you want. Must be 5. Okay. This is 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 common. X square minus 1. Cancel. 2 by x square plus 4. 5 by. This further you can continue. Why? Because 5 times. What are the partial fractions here? X minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 4. ABC partial fractions you can continue. So, as per theory, you can start doing this method. That is hint I gave. You can start doing so that you can finish. That is one. Next, theoretical question it is. Write down fourth problem, concept level. What is that concept level? Is see, f of x is a periodic function. It is called f of x plus t equal to f of x is definition for f of x is called periodic function. With period, what is that value? Periodic value here t. That is definition. Without writing name of the definition function here, he is writing. Okay. Then I is given anyway. Integral 3 to 3 plus 3t f of 2x dx. First 2x is extra. 3 plus 2x is y. X dx is 1 by 2 dy. So 1 by 2 outside first. Means 1 by 2 times we have to see 1 by 2 outside change of limits. when x equal to 3, y value 6. When x equal to this 6 to 6 plus 60, f of y dy. Then as usual you can change it here, substitute 2 over. Then what is the procedure we have is here. See, take this 6 outside, 1 by 2, 3 times 0 to t f of y dy. Periodic function, 6 outside, 6 by 2, 3 times f of y dy. In this limits, change of variable can be anyone. 3 times 0 to t, f of x also we can write, f of x, y, z, variable is not difficult, so we can write. But this is given as notation, 0 to t f of x is I given, therefore it must be 3 times I. First they gave definition, 2x is extra, replace as variable. Okay, here 2 dx is y, then dx equal to half dy, changing half outside, change of limits. When x equal to 3, y value 6, 6 plus half of, take this 6 outside, it becomes 0, this also t, therefore 0 to t half, which is variable, given 3i, so it must be third option, right? Then problem number 5, 0 to pi, 0 to pi, theta sin theta d theta by 1 plus cos square theta. This is given here. Assume that this is I. We have that property, 0 to a f of x is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. With this, I is also equal to, write down in the place of upper limit pi is there, pi minus theta, sin 180 minus theta by cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but square is there, it is positive only. So separate the integral, 0 to pi, pi sin theta by 1 plus cos square minus problem I. Take this left hand side, so 2i is pi constant, integral 0 to pi sin theta d theta 1 plus cos square theta d theta. Now it is understood. Easy integration. What is that easy integration? Cos theta is y, sin theta or cos theta is dt, t minus sin theta dt, dt by 1 plus x square, tan inverse formula, therefore minus pi, I write direct, tan inverse cos theta. Cos theta equal to t minus sin theta dt, dt by 1 plus t square, tan inverse t, t value cos theta. Okay, t value cos theta. So I am writing. Now change, we are not changing limits, so 0 to pi as it is. Then minus pi cos 180 minus 1, tan inverse minus 1 minus pi by 4 minus cos 0 1, tan inverse 1 pi by 4, again minus. Then what is the answer? Minus pi into minus 2 pi by 4. Therefore, what is final answer? We are getting pi square by 2. This is what we have, first option. Okay. Then sixth one also, separate the denominators, we can separate. And seventh already I gave 2 power sin x problem property. Seventh also we have got solution. 8 earlier only I repeated. Now write ninth problem. Ninth one is minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. Easiest problem. Simple. Denominator, you can write x square 2x 1 plus 1. Reason, this we know. Therefore, dx by 1 plus half 1 plus x whole square. What is this type of result called? Problem is called 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x. Here, tan inverse of 1 plus x between minus 1 and 0. When x is upper limit, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Hence answer is pi by 4 only. This is for 9th. 10th already application repeated. We did that. Now 11th is very important. 11th, inverse functions. Inverse functions, special functions in the definite integral are very useful problems. Inverse trigonometric functions. In the limits also, inverse trigonometric functions are very important. Now, here 11th, 0 to 1, tan inverse of 1 by x square minus x plus 1. This is there. Okay. Very useful problem. Even in the differentiation also you have this problem. Y equal to tan inverse of this and then find dy by dx. Okay. Very important. Here, as it is inverse trigonometric function with this term, not possible for direct integration. No alternate. Substitutions not possible. By parts not possible. Because of definite integral properties not possible. You are nowhere concerned with your theory. Then what to do next? Something you have to simplify in the bracket only. Since it is inverse trigonometry, that is the reason we have only one alternate is 1 by 1 plus, here what is common? X. Then in the numerator also we will try to write in the place of 1 I will write like this. X cancel 1 only. Now it is understood the inverse trigonometry. It is in the form of tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. What is the result in inverse trigonometry? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Here minus means minus, plus means plus. Using that result here, now what is function? It becomes tan inverse x minus tan inverse of. This is the simplified function to the given function. Further integration can be done. Very simple. Now you start with integration. I is equal to 0 to 1 tan inverse x first integral minus 0 to 1 tan inverse x minus 1. Still we will not do integration. So far we didn't do any integration. Only inverse trigonometry we are using. Still continue. Try to reduce. Leave the first integral. Go to second integral. Something can be done here. 0 to a f of x. Same as f of a minus x. I will write in the place of x. 1 minus x. 0 to a f of a minus x is same as f of x. So 1 minus x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x minus 1. What is implied? 1 cancel. Minus of 0 to 1. Tan inverse minus x. What is property? Minus tan inverse. Minus minus plus. That is the reason. Now what is I becomes 2 times 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Tan inverse x only. This is your final. Up to here, properties from inverse trigonometry. Here, properties from definite integral. Finally, we are ending with 0 to 1 whole tan inverse x integration. If you know this, answer is finished. And I gave one idea. Integration of all inverse trigonometric functions can be done only with bypass by treating one as a second function. That rule now we are getting. And sir, how to finish the integration here? Continue for that 0 to 1, tan inverse 1, tan inverse x into 1. First function, second function. 2 times fx into integral g minus integral f dash x integral g. Now complete or 2 times first upper limit tan inverse 1 pi by 4, next 0, finish this, minus what is this integral? X by 1 plus x square. What is 1 plus x square derivative? 2x. 2 is extra, half is outside. Why? Because reason f dash x by fx. What is f dash x by fx? Log of f of x. Log 1 plus x square. Between the limits 0 to 1, half is there. Then 2 outside as it is. Then pi by 4 minus half x value 1 log 2. When x is 0, log 1. Log 1 is 0. Hence completed. This is your answer. Take 2 inside. So what is finally we can compare with the ABCD is pi by 2 minus log 2 must be the value. That much story is there. Is totally concept. So many interlinking. Inverse trigonometry, definite integral properties, by parts, integration, everything. Therefore, where is this problem number? Where is this? 11th. So, in 11th, 4th option is correct. Okay? 12th already in the beginning only I finished 12 over, 13 over, 14 over. Now very important. Very, very useful. I gave earlier what is mod of x minus 1. Here, mod x is defined as mod x minus 1. He is asking 0 to 2 f of x. Very, very guarantee expected model. For mod function, they can ask you any limits. Now here he is asking 0 to 2 mod x minus 1. Can be given, instead of asking a definite integral, they will write the sentence area of the function mod x minus 1 between the limits 0 and 2. Already you know that what is the curve, what is graph of mod x minus 1, left or right, how to decide, what is the sign given in problem, minus given, minus means right, plus means left. Then what is graph of this function? How much distance? 1. This is 0. Now, how to find definite integral? Is same as how to find area. Okay, same. Consider the scale here 0 to 2. Where is here 0? Here 2 you consider. What is this graph? X minus 1. What is this graph? Minus of x minus 1. Okay? Negative. Total they want area. This plus this only. Okay? This is right angle triangle. Base is 1 unit. You want height, means y value. How to get this value? What is graph? Minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1 on y axis. X must be 0. Then what is this number? 1. Then what is height? 1. What is area of this triangle? Half height into base. Half. Every step must be very careful. Don't think I am going very speed too much. You must be ready for basics. Okay. If you want to know, still you revise yourself 2-3 rounds, basics, graph, how I am writing, what are the values of y, x, area of right angle triangle, half, height, base, everything put together. This area is 1 by 2. Go here. 1 to what is the difference? 1. When x equal to 2, what is height? 1. Then what is this area? Half height into base only? Half. Total between 0 and 2 they want. Then total area is how much? Sum of two different triangles, half, full. Okay, I told every time. So many times I got this, half, full. Hence answer must be 1 square units. This is because of area. Okay, write symbolic form. 0 to 2, mod x minus 1 must be 1. So, answer is 1. Areas also you will get this problem, or else similar model you will get. Must be ready for that. How to do? Area is nothing but if you get closed curve, use geometry. If it is open curve, use integration. That is the only difference. It is closed curve only, you know coordinate geometry, so we are using. How you get answer important. They will not ask only by integration what is the answer. I am not doing integration. Okay, how to do integration here? You have to break the limits. As per PUC theory, how to do solution I am writing. This is actually solution. Original theory. Waste only. 0 to 1, nothing but x less between 0 and 1 means negative. When a negative function is given, what is modulus? It is negative. Okay, half minus 1, negative. So minus half, 0 to 1, x minus 1. 1 to 2 it is positive. Therefore 1 to 2, x minus 1. Then many number of steps are more. You have to do integration, minus outside, upper minus lower, final algebra simplification. At the end, you will get 1. Okay. Why do you go for this? This is better option. Okay. Hence, area. So very useful concept. Then next is finish. 17. 17 is here 0 to pi x dx. 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square, where a, b are constant numbers. Consider the property 0 to a f of x is the same as 0 to a f of a minus x. In the place of x, upper limit minus x. You will get same denominator. Sin 180 minus theta is the same. Cos 180 minus theta is minus. Anyway, square is there. Positive only. Break the integral. Pi first constant outside. 0 to pi dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square. Next problem is repeated. So called I. Taken left hand side. I plus I. And then only problem is here. Denominator. Take cos square x outside. A square plus b square sin by cos. Now completed. How it is completed? Take the cos to the numerator. 1 by cos is secant square. 1 by cos is secant square means what is the integration now? It is for 2I is equal to pi times 0 to pi secant square x by a square plus b square tan square b tan x whole square. What is b tan x derivative? B secant square. B is missing, okay, no problem. Constants missing, not a problem. Function missing, you cannot do anything. Clear? Here, 0 to pi b secant square, a square, b square, tan square. Constants not important. Here, square, even functions. Consider this property. 0 to 2a f of x can be written as 2 times 0 to a. Only when upper limit minus x you have to get same. When you get to their same, you can reduce the upper limit into half. That 2 you will write here. Same reason here Assume that this is 2 times pi by 2. Okay, pi means pi only, 2 times pi by 2. Then if I write it 2 outside, then what is that upper limit? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. B secant square by a square plus b tan x whole square. Now you can see. This is for 2i. So I equal to pi by b. This is a t. Tan inverse. dt by a square plus 1 by a tan inverse b tan x by a. This is final. Now we are using this property to cancel. Pi by ab, upper limit 90, tan 90 is infinity, tan inverse is infinity, pi by 2. So pi by ab into pi by 2, upper limit over next tan 0 0, tan 1 0 so 0 minus 0. So what is finally I value? We got pi square by 2ab. Where is this answer? Where is this number? 17. 17 pi square by 2ab. That is the reason you will get third option C. 17 C is correct. Okay, pi square by 2ab. First, this is problem. Upper limit minus x. Break the function. 2i, pi constant. This is our problem. All even terms 0 to 2a, f of minus x, f of x, 2 times half of the upper limit. Therefore, 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by ab outside, then pi by 2. Hence, this is for pi square by 2ab. Now, 18th is very different problem. What is that 18th? Very rare. This type of problems also very rare, where it is a general problem. Functional equations. This type of problem related to the chapter functional equations. This model can be given anywhere from limits to differential equations. So this is also a very useful one concept, one problem I am doing for the subject concerned. Given like this, is x, then integral 1 to 2, what is f of x in value? This is problem. 1 to 2 f of x, then answers are ABCD, some constants only. But it is not the problem related to like previous problems. They are not giving you problem here to integrate sin, cos, log, tan inverse, nothing is present. They just mentioned in general related to f of x, 1 by x, minus x, 3x, like that they can give. Using this equation, you have to guess what is f of x. Means you have to simply calculate it. Finally, what is that function, that behavior of function we should find out using the relation. That is why this type of problems come under the chapter called functional equations. Okay, see here. Assume that this is first equation. Substitute x equal to 1 by x in 1. It becomes 2 into f of 1 by x. 3 times f of x is 1 by x. This is your second equation. This is first equation. Okay, using 1 and 2, we can easily find f of x. How I can find f of x? If I write in the order minus 3 f of x plus 2 f of 1 by x is 1 by x. In these two equations, we want fx. We don't want f of 1 by x. Correct? Algebra. Two linear equations you want to solve in x and y. When you want x, you have to eliminate y. To find out f of x, you try to eliminate 1 by x terms. How to eliminate? Here the minus 3 f, here 2 f. 2 multiplied, 3 multiplied. Now I will write. Here 2 multiplied, 1 multiplied by 2. 4 f of x minus 6 f1 by x is 2x. Second equation, 3 multiplied. Minus 9 f of x, 6 f1 by x is 3 by x. Adding. Because minus plus is there, cancel. Minus 5 f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 by x. 2x square plus 3 by x. Then what is f of x? Minus of 2x square plus 3 by. Now function is complete. This way of doing, for every problem, idea will be different. Okay. According to given conditions, we should create our ideas. That is the danger and confusing concept of this chapter. Functional equations is the chapter dealing with the relation between x, 1 by x, 3x, minus x, so on. Then finally we need to find f of x. Every problem, every different idea. That is what. To this problem, this idea, why I am writing, since it involves x and 1 by x, so I am writing x as 1 by x. Suppose sometimes here x, they will give you here x plus 2. Then again I will write x equal to x minus 2, then I will solve. It depends on problem. Now function is over. Finally integration is not difficult, which is ordinary function only. Integral 1 to 2. Minus 1 by 5 is outside. 2x square plus 3 by x, split the denominator. Then minus 1 by 5, 1 to 2, 2x plus 3 by x. What is integration? You see that x square by 2, 3 log x. Then apply limits, upper limit, 2 first. Four plus 3 log 2 minus log 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, minus 1 by 5 into 3 plus 3 log 2, or else 3 also can be taken outside as common according to ABCD. Here 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5, 1 plus log 2 is in the second option. Okay, 3 taking out. That is what the answer. This type of problem, this is there. This is only possible even in limits or in differentiation. How they will ask in differentiation? After writing this one equal to x, find f dash x. You got function here, dy by dx. You can do derivative. So it can be given anywhere. 19th also, step function, important definite integral basis. So that is called 0 to 1.5. 0 to 1.5 step of x square. Step of x square. Square is there. Then you have to break this continuous limits, continuous numbers you have to get, because this step function, greatest integer function. How you can break 0 to root 2? Root 2 is 1.5. 0 to 1 plus 1 to root 2 plus root 2 to 1.5. These are the continuous numbers we need. for a step function. Since square is there, with the roots we have to break. So 0 to 1, what is lower limit? 0. Integral function I told lower limit only important. For 1 to root 2, what is step value? 1. Root 2 to 1.5. Root 2 whole square 2. Integral part of 2 is 2. This is what we have. First one 0. Next one only. 1 means integral is x. X means upper minus lower. Root 2 minus 1. Then here 2 times upper minus lower. 1.5 minus root 2. Okay. Then root 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. 2 into 1.5, 3. Then root 2 minus 2 root 2. Minus root 2, 3 minus 1. 2 minus root 2 is final answer. Third option. Okay. This is about first part. In the assignment also, definite integrals, where we have all are indefinite integrals, even we have discussed earlier also. Any definite integral in the assignment? No. All are integrations only. Indefinite integral. This is from 9th assignment. In the number 10 assignment if you take, see, again, this type only first I will do. How to break the intervals for step function. Minus 2 to 2. Modulus of step of x. Minus 2 to 2. See, for a special function means this greatest integer function, according to given limits, how we are breaking the limits? That limits must be consecutive, continuous numbers. That is why I wrote continuous numbers. 0 to 1, 1 to root 2, root 2, root 5, continuous numbers. Like that. See, minus 2 to 2. Modulus is there, step function is there, both given. Here integer function important. For integer function, what kind of numbers allowed? Consecutive numbers. Between minus 2 to 2 scale, what are the continuous numbers? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Everywhere you have to consider the integrals. Right. Minus 2 to minus 1. What is step value? Minus 2. What is modulus of minus 2? 2. This is what our change, breakup limits. In this, value minus 2. Modulus of minus 2, 2. Here, 1, 0, 1. Finish up? Integration is over. 2 outside. Upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Next, 1 into upper minus lower, 1. Next 0. 1 into upper minus lower, 2, 1, 1, 4. That is answer. Fourth option. Okay. Then next also, yes, this is integral log 2 to log x du by root u e power u minus 1 is pi by x. Then what is e power x? Integration only. 1 by root ax minus 1 integration. Then this is the definite integral. 0 to 1 x mod x minus 1 by 2. X minus x into mod of x minus 1 by 2. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 to 1. 0 to 1 by 2. Right? Eighth one I will write. First 2 steps I will show you. You can finish answer. That is, see, I is equal to 0 to 1 x mod of x minus 1 by 2. Since there is x minus 1 by 2, related to that number only you have to break. If they write 1 by 3, 1 by 3 you have to break. So we will consider 0 to half. This modulus we have to define special function. Then only we can consider. What is this modulus meaning? What are the limits meaning here? Definite integral means x lies between 0 and 1 by 2. X lies between 0 and 1 by 2. In this case, take 1 by 2 here. X minus 1 by 2 less than 0. Negative. When it is negative, what is modulus of negative number? Minus of x minus half. Hence, modulus is defined minus outside 0 to half x into x minus half ordinary terms. You can integrate now. Once you define the symbol, means special function, into ordinary, further can be integrated. Here, what is meaning of this definite integral? X lies between half and 1. Take this half here. 0 less than x minus means positive only. When it is positive, modulus of positive is same. Now you can finish the integration. I gave reason how we can define this as symbolic form. This one for this one for this. So finish the integration. Then next 9th already over indefinite. 10th x equal to a tan theta. For 10th problem, substitute x is a tan theta. You will get second step answer. Then 1 by e to e square. Break the interval. 11th problem. 1 by e to e to e square. Apply substitution method. Right? 1 by tan cube. This is possible. Okay. Then with this sufficient number of problems we have discussed, then you can practice some more problems. If there are 1 or 2 extra or any other things, in the next class I will finish them. With that I will start curvature, means areas. Again part continuity of the integration only. Okay. Next class 1 or 2 discussion I will do here, 1 or 2 problems. With that it is ended. So we will go to next areas, very very important, and it's a graphical transformation, everything I am giving. Before that you just revise geometry, diagrams and everything. Then I will start areas next class. Okay, that is what.